Gigo.
Use the adapter to connect AI lens and Gigo blocks. One end of the adapter can be assembled with the AI lens. The other end can be assembled with Gigo blocks. Use the B end of the peg remover to remove the adapter. Change the shooting angle of the AI lens by adding more Gigo blocks. Use an adapter cable to connect the AI lens and the control box. One end of the adapter cable can be connected to the AI lens. The other end can be connected to the control box. The adapter cable can only be connected to the I2C pin, which is at the bottom left of the control box. Enter the microbit programming page and click on Extensions. Key the Planetx in the search bar and click the search button. Click on the Planetx AI feature. Now you can find the AI lens program block in the left side menu.